Is RingCentral still a champion in the rapidly evolving world of business communications in 2025? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? We're living in a time where hybrid work models are the norm, where global teams collaborate across continents, and where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, but a transformative force. In this landscape, choosing the right communication platform isn't just about making calls. It's about empowering your workforce, streamlining operations, and ultimately, driving growth. Think back just a few years. Unified Communications as a Service, or UCaaS, was already gaining traction. But today, in 2025, it's virtually indispensable. Businesses are ditching their clunky, expensive on-premise phone systems for the flexibility and cost-effectiveness of cloud-based VoIP. The numbers don't lie. The VoIP market is projected to hit a staggering $85.19 billion this year, growing at a remarkable 15.18% annually. This isn't just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we communicate. So, where does RingCentral fit into all of this? For years, they've been a major player, a recognized name in the UCaaS space. But the competition is fierce, and innovation is happening at light speed. Is RingCentral keeping up? Is it still the go-to solution for businesses of all sizes, from agile startups to sprawling enterprises? That's what we're here to unpack. We'll delve into its features, scrutinize its pricing, stack it against its formidable rivals, and ultimately, help you decide if RingCentral is truly worth it in 2025. Let's start with the heart of any communication platform: its features. RingCentral has long boasted a comprehensive suite, and in 2025, they continue to offer a robust set of tools. You're looking at unlimited domestic calling in the US and Canada, SMS and MMS capabilities, and a sophisticated interactive voice response, or IVR, system for efficient call routing. For IT administrators, the analytics and reporting tools provide valuable insights into communication patterns. Beyond the basics, RingCentral includes voicemail transcriptions, AI-powered noise cancellation for clearer calls, and even remote desktop control. For businesses needing more advanced features, such as automatic call recording, multi-site management, and unlimited internet fax, their advanced and ultra plans deliver. One area where RingCentral is making significant strides and truly standing out in 2025 is AI. They're investing heavily in AI-powered features, recognizing its crucial role in modern communication. We're talking about AI Receptionist, AIR, that can instantly answer calls, engage in natural conversations, handle routine inquiries, and even intelligently route complex calls to the right person. Imagine the efficiency gains for your team. They also have RingCX, their AI-powered contact center as a service solution. This system can transcribe and summarize customer communications across all channels, giving you a complete view of every customer touchpoint. They're even rolling out AI interaction analytics and AI Agent Assist, designed to provide real-time sentiment analysis, offer contextual suggestions to agents during calls, and summarize post-call work, potentially reducing call handling times by a significant margin. RingCentral's own internal contact center has seen a 20% reduction in call handle times by leveraging these AI tools. This commitment to AI, backed by a strong AI governance program, positions RingCentral as a forward-thinking player. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room for many businesses: pricing. In 2025, RingCentral offers a tiered pricing structure, typically billed annually. Their core plan starts around $20 per user per month, ideal for small and medium-sized businesses with foundational needs. The advanced plan, at approximately $25 per user per month, caters to high-growth companies with more frequent calling needs and advanced features. The top-tier Ultra plan, at roughly $35 per user per month, includes even more robust features like increased video participant capacity and unlimited storage. It's important to note that these are annual billing prices. Monthly billing will be slightly higher. While RingCentral isn't the cheapest option on the market, it aims to deliver value by consolidating multiple communication tools into one platform, potentially replacing several individual apps and saving you money in the long run. But no review would be complete without looking at the competition. The UCaaS landscape is crowded, and RingCentral faces formidable rivals. Zoom Phone, for instance, is a strong contender, often praised for its affordability, with plans starting at a lower price point. While RingCentral generally offers more robust VoIP and collaboration features, Zoom Phone excels in video conferencing participant capacity. Then there's Microsoft Teams Phone, particularly appealing for businesses already deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem. While Teams offers excellent collaboration features, RingCentral often comes out ahead with its more advanced call functionality and omnichannel engagement tools. Beyond the big names, you have other strong alternatives like 8x8, known for its global reach and unlimited international calling options. Dialpad is another key competitor, leading the charge in AI integration within business phone systems. Nextiva provides an all-in-one solution, while Vonage offers more customization and add-ons. For smaller businesses, OpenPhone or Grasshopper might be more budget-friendly and simpler options. The key takeaway here is that the right choice depends heavily on your specific business needs, size, and budget. So, is RingCentral worth it in 2025? For many businesses, especially mid-sized to larger enterprises or those with growing call center needs, the answer is a resounding yes. Its comprehensive feature set, robust AI integrations, and commitment to innovation make it a powerful platform. They offer a strong suite of advanced call features, including call monitoring, reporting, and specialized features like their Teams phone dialer plugin and concurrent call center licensing. If your company has a lot of global sites, RingCentral's global reach is a significant advantage. However, if you're a very small business with basic communication needs, or if budget is your absolute top priority, you might find more cost-effective entry-level options elsewhere. And while RingCentral is pushing hard on AI, some competitors like Dialpad are also very strong in that area, and the AI landscape is constantly shifting. The complexity of its setup and implementation, and occasionally rigid, long-term contracts, might be a consideration for some smaller operations. Ultimately, RingCentral continues to be a leader in the UCaaS space in 2025. Its ongoing investment in AI, combined with its already extensive feature set, positions it as a highly capable and forward-looking solution for businesses seeking to optimize their communications and collaboration. It's a platform designed to scale, adapt, and empower your team in the modern work environment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.